All right, last one. This one's a bit creepy.
Ghost, glare, Arizona trucker shares footage of a chilling sighting. Where am I supposed to look here? I see lights. I see reflections. I see lanes. Where am I looking?
So if you look at the lane on the right.
Yeah. Right there?
You'll start to see.
Right there?
Yeah. Right there.
Yeah. Oh, well, I don't know. Ghost? Really? Based on that, maybe you have a better visual than I do. Is it supposed to look like legs walking?
Yeah, it appears to be legs, like bipedal.
Bipedal, listen
But
to
I
you.
see,
This is Mr. Bigfoot over here. Bipedal.
I don't see a shadow, though, because these lights on a 18-wheeler is quite bright.
Right.
But you don't see a shadow, like casted by this figure. Okay, here's the real time. Oh, not real time. Sorry.
Slow time. Is it moving at all, or is it stationary and just the truck is moving?
It's stationary right there.
Yeah, it's stationary. Okay, go like a couple frames back here, but to where it's at its maximum size. Right. Yeah. I don't know. Is it chilling? I don't know why I'm not feeling more chilled, like more scared. A trucker shared footage of a chilling sighting on SR 87 between Phoenix and Payson from March 11th. He says no other cars were in sight as the highway is a major stretch of a desolate desert landscape. Of course, we can't prove what this is, but it sure is a conversation starter. Let's read a couple comments here, Will. I had a similar experience to the above video. It was in 1978. I wasn't on a 3-lane road, but a 2-lane route. I saw a person walking on the right side gully in a red hooded type coat or robe.
Right side gully.
It was pitch black out. I took my foot off the gas and looked in the rear view mirror. There was no one there. When I focused ahead to continue and start to accelerate the car again, there, in the middle of the road, was a live dog. If I hadn't slowed down when I did because I saw something, I would have been in an accident along with my 2-year-old daughter. No, it was not an alien. I chose to believe an angel or sign sent by God, but dressed in red, that is what threw me. I am not goofy, not radically religious, but I do believe in God and knew we were spared that night. Can I just read these
That's
type?
the top comment.
Can I just read these type of? Can I read people's ghost stories, please? Because that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
It
These
appears
short
to.
stories.
Then you get Carl. He says it appears to be translucent as the white line on the pavement remains visible. I don't think it's a reflection because of the visual relationship to the surroundings. I used to work in an old wood shop that I believe was haunted, and it wasn't the only one. I had some unexplained experience there. So, one summer, my husband and I were driving on I-80 late at night, and we approached a small 4x8 cargo U-Haul trailer parked off the side of the road. As we approached it, we saw a child sitting in the grass next to the U-Haul trailer. We were shocked to see a 6-year-old looking child sitting by himself in the grass. No other cars, no other people. We drove to the next exit, turned around, headed back, and drove past the first exit to turn around just to make sure we would have not cut short on our turnaround. We drove to the second exit, turned around, and drove back, and there was no U-Haul trailer, no child. We were looking the whole time to the opposite side of the road for a U-Haul trailer, either parked or moving. We never saw anything. The whole turnaround time couldn't have taken more than 10 to 12 minutes. Could a car have re-hitched up a trailer in less than 15? I suppose it's possible. We didn't call the police, as we didn't know what to report.